Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, your teacher, your friend. So in today's video, I'll be helping you in solving the back exercise of the chapter Word Processor. From the book, log on to Computer Studies, book class 5. So before I begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please do share it with your friends and family. Also hit the notification bell so you never miss a chapter of my educational series. So let's get started. Part A. Tick the correct one. Number 1. The number 2 in H2O is written as subscript. Number 2. To insert column breaks in a document, we assess Page Layout tab. Number 3. It is used to decrease the distance between the text and the margins, and the correct option is decrease indent. Number 4. Which of the following is not a tab stop alignment in MS Word 2013? And the answer is diagonal. Part B. Fill in the blanks with the given clues. Number 1. Format Painter allows us to copy a formatting that is applied in one piece of text and apply it on others. Number 2. By default, every time you press the tab key, the insertion point will move ½ inch to the right. Number 3. By inserting columns, you can make your document similar to a newspaper or a magazine. Number 4. Indent option is used to increase or decrease the distance between the text and the margins. Number 5. Using tabs gives you more control over the placement of the text in the document. Now we begin with part C, that is true or false. Number 1. X to H has 2 as subscript. It is false. Number 2. Line breaks can be inserted anywhere in the document. Yes, this is true. Number 3. Date and page numbers can be added to the document using header and footer. Yes, true. Number 4. Indent option is available in the paragraph group of the home tab. This is also true. Number 5. Margins cannot be customized in dimensions in MS Word 2013. This is false. Now let's begin with the D part, that is match the following. So these are 4 symbols. Number 1, first symbol, it is left aligns to the text at the tab stop. Second symbol, it is right aligns the text to the tab stop. Third symbol is centers the text around the tab stop. And the last, number 4, aligns decimal numbers using the decimal point. Now we begin with the E part, that is answer the following questions. Number 1. Define subscript and superscript. Write down the steps to apply superscript. So the answer is superscript and subscript refer to any number or text that is positioned slightly higher or slightly lower than the text on the line respectively. Superscript x4 plus y3, subscript h2o. So this answer is in the concise paragraph. If you want to do it differently, you can write in this way also, like 2 paragraphs, subscript and superscript. So let me read it out for you. Subscript is text or numbers positioned slightly lower than regular text on the same line, commonly used for the things like chemical formulas, example H2O. So now this is for the superscript. Superscript is text or numbers positioned slightly above than regular text on the same line, commonly used for indicating exponents in mathematics, example x4 plus y3. Whichever you found easy, you can copy that. If you want it in a paragraph, you can do this, and if you want to do it in different paragraphs, you can copy this answer. To apply superscript, follow the given steps. Number 1, select the text that you want to format as superscript. Press Ctrl key to do it multiple selections. Number 2, click on superscript x2 in the font group in Home tab. Number 3, the selected text will be formatted according to the option you choose. Last, number 4, to undo the formatting, click the superscript button again. So these are the 4 steps which you need to apply to do the superscript. Okay, question number 2. Differentiate between a page break and a column break. And the answer is, a page break is used to start a new page in a document and moves the text following the break to the beginning of the next page, while a column break is used to change columns within the same page, allowing for multiple columns of text on a single page. Question number 3. Describe the indent feature of MS Word 2013. Answer. The indent feature of MS Word 2013 is available in the paragraph group of the Home tab and is used to increase or decrease the distance between the text and the margins. Question number 4. Describe how we can set margins in the Word document. Answer. To set margins in the Word document, follow the given steps. Number 1. Click on Margins in the Page Setup group in the Page Layout tab. Number 2. Choose any of the ready-made margins from the list of options. Number 3. The margins will be applied as you click on the option. Now we begin with the application-based questions. Question 1. Your friend has copied a paragraph from the internet which is written in font different from the one in which she has written her document. She wants to make the entire font the same. Which tool should she use to perform the action? Guide her with the steps. Answer. To make the entire font the same, she should use the Format Painter tool. To use the Format Painter, follow the given steps. Number 1. Select the text. Number 2. Click on Format Painter in the Clipboard group in the Home tab. Number 3. The cursor will change into a brush. Drag the mouse over the text on which you want to apply the new formatting. Number 4. The new formatting will be copied. Next question. Your friend wishes to write a newspaper column in MS Word. He wishes to arrange it in 4 columns. Help him to insert the column in the Word document in the form of different steps. Answer. To arrange text in 4 columns, follow the given steps. Number 1. Click on the Page Layout tab. Number 2. In the Page Setup group, click on Columns. Number 3. Choose the More Columns option. Number 4. In the Columns dialog box, select 4 under Presets. Number 5. Click on the OK button. The document will be divided into the desired number of columns. Now question 3 from the application-based questions. Your friend wishes to insert page number at the bottom and date at the top of each page of his document. Help him insert the date and page number on the top and bottom margins of the document. So the answer, to insert page number at the bottom of each page, follow the given steps. Number 1, click on the Insert tab. Number 2, in the header and footer group, click on page number. Number 3, choose the desired location for page numbers, like the bottom of a page. Now, to insert date at the top of each page, follow the given steps. Number 1, double click in the header area of the document. Number 2, in the header, click on the Insert tab. Third step, click on Date and Time in the text group. Number 4, select the desired date format and click OK. Number 5, the date will be inserted at the top of each page. Now this is the last section, G. Give one word answer for the following. Number 1. What is the shortcut key for formatting text in superscript? So the answer is Control plus Shift plus. Okay, number 2. In which tab will you find options of header and footer? The answer is Insert. Number 3. Which key is used to insert a line break? The answer is Enter. Number 4. By what distance does the insertion point move by default when we press the tab key? It's ½ inch. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you so much.